Okay, this is Carol of the Bells, the guitar 1 part. This is probably the trickiest part, but also the most fun to play. It's the one that will sound the most familiar to you. So I'm going to divide it up into 4 parts, basically. There are a few notes that fall out of the bounds of these 4 parts, but those are pretty easy to pick up. So here we go. Starting from the first measure, we have this phrase. This is the thing you play mostly in this song. It's this G, F sharp, G, E. So it's fret 3, 2, 3, open. Right? Our right hands are just going straight alternate picking. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? When we move on to measure 17, this part changes. We play that all the way up to measure 17, then it changes. Very similar. We're just playing basically the same phrase up a third. So the notes that we're using for it are found all on the high E string, frets 3, 5, and 7 now. Okay, so 3, 5, 7. This is a G, A, B, and it goes B, A, B, G, B, A, B, G, B, A, B, G. Same picking. Down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, gets a little stretchy here. Same phrase again. Same phrase, we're just raising it up to different frets, okay? So now let's get to measure 19, 20, 21. That's where this part changes, gets pretty tricky here, okay? So let's look at the notes we're going to be using. It's going to be basically this same shape we had over here, except we're moving it all the way up now to measures 8, 10, and 12. 8, 10, 12. 8, 10, 12. This is a C, a D, and an E. When we get down to the B string, so this part's going to exist across 3 different strings, the G, the B, and the E. We're going to use the same fingering, and in fact, we're going to play the same phrase on the B string. So also B string is going to be 8, 10, and 12. 8, 10, and 12 we play on E, 8, 10, and 12 we play, these are just the notes we're using, on B, and then when we get down to the G string, we're going to be using frets 9 and 11, okay? So, this part will sound familiar. Let me just play it for you real quick, nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3. Here's how it goes. So we go D, 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 sorry, E, 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 D, C, E, 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 D, C, 12, 12, 12, 10, 8, 12, 12, 12, 10, 8. That's the first thing we do. 12, 12, 12, 10, 8. Then we move down to the B string and do the exact same thing. 12, 12, 12, 10, 8. Okay? And this is where it changes. Then we go, we move up here for this A note, which is on fret 10. We go, hit it 3 times, 12, 10, so 10, 10, 10, 12, 10. It's A, B, A. Then we go down to basically play, except we have to do it here. So we go. Same notes as. And the way we play that is we get back here on, we're going to be going in between the B and the G string. So we go B string for this G note. It's measure 8. So we go 8, 11 on G, back to 8, 9 on G. 8, 11, 8, 9. So outside picking is very important on this part. Should be up, down, okay? Up, down, down. So let me play that whole thing again, nice and slowly. Again, 2, 3. Again, even a little bit more slowly. I would recommend starting each one of these little pieces of the phrase, bum, ba da da da, starting them with 2 downstrokes. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Can't do it slowly, sorry. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay. So there's that part. That brings us to probably the funnest part because we have a bunch of weird accidentals. We're looking at measure number 25. That's this famous part. Okay. So this is going to be back here. This is a kind of a tricky scale. It's called a melodic minor scale. Here's how I want you to do it. I'm just going to give you all the notes since we're pretty much just playing up the scale. We're starting on the G string. It's going to be on the G string, B string, and E string. So on G string, we're just going to find 2 notes. We're going to do fret 4 for that B, and then for the D flat, we're going to go up to fret 6. So 4, 6 on the G string. And then we move up to the B string for that E flat. So that's on fret 4. E natural on fret 5. F sharp on fret 7. So it's 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7 on B. So we have 4, 6, 4, 5, 7. Okay? And then the last 3 notes are going to be a G, an A, and a B. A G, A, B. So on the high E string, we're on 3, 5, and 7. So it goes 4, 6, 4, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And then when we get up here, we just bring it back down. 5, 3. Okay? The whole thing slowly. 4, 6, 4, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 5, 3. Okay? One more time. Okay? And we're back to. So again, those 4 parts are right here, right here, then we go up to, back to here. Okay? Good luck.